Welcome back everybody to Screech's Smokehouse Barbecue. I'm Paul and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to do beef short ribs. Just simply open up the package. Not much trimming or butchery to do. This one I can tell already is going to be a little bit. This guy. These are beef plate ribs, beef short ribs, Dino Ribs, whatever you want to call them. Not much to do. Got a membrane on the back. I leave the membrane. You take the membrane off, and these things are going to fall apart on you when they're cooking. You cook them to tenderness, they're going to fall apart. Take a little tiny bit of these edges off. Not much. Just round off the corners just a little tiny bit. Looks pretty good. That's it for the trim on that one. This one, got silver skins underneath the fat. This one has no fat here, so I will take off that silver skin just because there's no fat on top of it. Other than that, the rest of it, I'm gonna leave. That's a little deep. That'll be right. Take off these corners. Round them out. Little scragglers of fat like that, take them off. Any danglers, we hate danglers. Everything else, just leave it. Now we're going to get into some secret rub. And here we have 16 mesh black pepper, 2 parts, 1 part kosher salt, half a part garlic. That's it. Today, we're going to go on with the binder. We don't always go on with the binder, but today we will. Good old Frank's Red Hot. You don't need to use a binder, but you can use oil, mustard, hot sauce, whatever you want. It's not going to add to the flavor too much, just to help the rub stick. We're about 30 minutes before I want to put these on the pit, so I'll let these hang out right here on the counter for a good 30 minutes. Let the rub absorb. You're not going to get any penetration with the rub behind on the backside, but we're going to put it there anyway. Easiest way to do it. Go on super heavy. Don't forget the side. You can't really over salt this because this 2 part black pepper and 1 part salt. Back's not even going to get penetrated in there. Add it in. Try not to make a mess like I did. Dump off the excess. Let these hang out for half an hour before they go on the pit. All right, these short ribs have been hanging out here on the board for 30 minutes. We're gonna throw them on the pit. We got this pit going about 275 miles per hour, and we're about to throw these beef ribs on the pit. on there. We're gonna aim thick side of the bone towards the firebox. Okay. We're gonna rock this pit right around 275 for the next 4 or 5 hours. Alright, these guys are probe and tender. 203 internal. Pull them off and rest them. Alright, let's slice these deals up, see how they came out. All off the bone tender. Try a bite. That's good. Real good.
Don't forget to ring the bell to be notified of our new videos. Thanks again for watching.